I think as the founder and owner of Fish Pond, I find this to be probably the most incredible experience of my fishing career.
Oh, really?
Okay, of my entire life. Yeah, I think being at the tip of the world in a place that is so, wild, so free, so clean, and not seen by people before is so pure, and I love that. And I think the fishing is better than anything in my life so far. That says a lot, because I fish a lot all over the world. So I think this place is, I think the purity and the sounds of the silence in the space where no one's been before is incredible.
How's the weather been behaving these days?
It depends on what time we get up in the morning after the chicasa.
Oh, the cachaça. Oh.
So, no, it's the weather has been overcast, windy, sunny, warm, cold, rainy, everything you can expect.
And is it worth it?
Yes, absolutely worth it. Yeah, no, I think, again, if I could come here every year for the rest of my life, I'd be happy. To fish here just once a year would be enough for me. That's how much I love it, really. It's very special. I think the guide, the service, the helicopter access is unequaled to any other place in the world. From Alaska, any other experience that someone could actually imagine, an adventure, this has it. And I think it is a very long ways to come, but you're fishing in waters that no one has ever caught fish before, and that's the magic. And where we are today is as pure of an experience, of an adventure that you could possibly find anywhere in the world. And for that, I'm very thankful for Rafa and Lakutaia for opening this experience to me, and hopefully we can share it with other people in the world and bring people here to enjoy it. But most importantly, to understand the fragility of our habitat, the water, how important it is to take care of the places that are like this, because there's very few left. And literally you have to come to the end of the world to find this experience now. Everything north has seen people, it's seen other flies, it's seen fishermen, it's seen people hiking, but here you know that you're the last, this is the last place that is as clean and as virgin as any place in the world. We're on the shores of Antarctica, so.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
Well, what do you think if we go fishing now?
I think we should go fishing. Yes.
Place here?
Yes. And this pool here on the right-hand side is called Johnny. That one's called Lecoq. Johnny Lecoq.
Okay, well, have fun, Johnny, and thank you.
Okay, take care.
The crowd would sing. Now the old king is dead, long live the king. One minute I held the key. Next the walls were closed on me, and I discovered that my castle stand upon pillars of salt and pillars of sand. I hear Jerusalem bells are ringing, Roman cavalry choirs are singing. Be my mirror, my soul, missionaries in a foreign field. For some reason I can't explain, once you've gone it was never an honest word. And that was when I ruled the wicked and wild wind blew down the doors to let me in. Shattered windows and the sound of drums. People couldn't believe what I'd become. Revolutionaries wait for my head on a silver plate, just a puppet on a lonely string. Oh, who would ever want to be king? I hear Jerusalem bells
Recomendo venir. Es fantástico.
Maravilhoso, fantástico, inolvidável.
That was when I ruled the world.
Just your
screen.
monitor. Okay, okay, I got you.
Yeah, it's my
So this is the camera.
It's too tall for us.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let me just make one more point
Yeah.
while we're on camera. That Mr. Scott Willoughby from the United States of America needs to be taught a few lessons on how to catch fish.
Fish?
Yeah, he's an outdoor writer. He's supposed to know everything about fishing, hunting, being in the outdoors, but yet he comes all the way to the end of the world to catch fish. And he doesn't know what he's doing. It's
Is because I lack proper mentoring.
yes, yeah, his
I need some. Who am I learning from?
yeah, yeah.
And regarding the other thing, I'll do my best, okay?
Okay, yes, you keep working on that.
Okay.
And don't forget fish pond, por favor.
No, don't forget. Fish pond. Fish pond.
So you're gonna put this in your computer now?
Yeah.
Oh, very good.
Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Ainda estou desfrutando.